just looks like scalp. Baby hairs. It has the pre-cut lace, 7x5, comfortable adjustable strap. It comes with the drawstring. The cap is super breathable. Beautyforever. I love caps that's breathable for the summertime. It's add some of this lace tint. Now all I have to do is just slide it on. Y'all, would you wear this out the box just like this? Let me know, drop me a comment. This wig is definitely one you can wear glueless. So added the comb at the nape so you can tuck it. You guys ever have problems with your drawstring coming back down? Let me show you something. It's a stopper right here, and then you have the actual, I don't know what this is called, but this is what tightens the wig. So once you go like this, make sure you take your stopper and you slide it up. I do have a video on how to add the drawstring into a wig if you need to know how to redo it if something happened to yours. If you're ever looking for any helpful videos from me, search MsPreciousMarie and then add whatever it is at the end of that in the search, and it should come up to you guys very easily. Today's wig is a water wave texture, and the water wave texture is super lightweight. You see the waves are a little bigger, so it doesn't have any type of curl pattern to it. This was one of my favorite wave patterns of all time, especially for summer. If you are OG, you know that. It's just the easiest versatile style. The hairline, everything lays super flat. This is what the sides look like. If you ever have any problems with the 13x6, the tabs flapping and it just gets on your nerves, get you a 7x5. Then you don't have to worry about that. However, you won't have that lace all the way down, but the lace do stops about right here on each side, so you can customize it a little bit, girl. This is 24 inches of hair, okay? 24 inches, and this is what it looked like without me putting any product in the hair. The color of this wig is black. It's not like a dark brown. It definitely is giving black. So because of that, for me, I'm just gonna customize it just a little bit so it can work just a little bit better. I wanna take some tweezers and just kind of go here and just take out just a little bit. And this is completely optional. Like if you put this wig on straight out the box and it just look good because maybe you're darker than me. They got them baby hairs on there hard, y'all. Nothing moved just now, hold on. They got them on there, honey. And then brushing it. Whew, I don't know what they use for that. Now I'm not gonna go in with the hot comb at all to the root area. Normally I flatten this area down, but it comes like that, like the wave stops about right here. So it's already like that. And if you want to, you can also just push the baby hairs back. I know I have a lot of ladies, professional ladies in here. So I get it, girl, I get it. Foundation and go down the parting and around the knots. And because the straps that are in this wig are the ones that's going to just press, like as you can see, this wig doesn't budge, as you can see. All right, so let's diffuse it. I'm gonna use the conditioner water mix and just spray the hair down. This is the type of hair texture that doesn't have a lot of frizz. You don't have to worry about too much frizz with this hair. Next week I did put up a video on how to prevent nape area tangles. Make sure to go check out that video if you ever deal with wavy textures or curly textures. If you have that happen, I give lots of tips in that video. And if you have not already, make sure to subscribe to the channel. It's free. I have so many videos, and if you want exclusive tips and videos, one-on-one help, you can become a member of the Precious Squad community by joining with the membership. Super affordable, and you can get one-on-one help from me. You know, wavy styles, it can be an everyday style, or it can be a vacation style. You guys ever thought about wearing a wavy look for your weddings? I feel like I've never seen a bride wear like a wet and wavy type of look. That would be so gorgeous, especially if she had like a dress that was no sleeves and the hair is just like this. Oh, my shirt is wet, sorry y'all. But it's just like this, just hanging down, like so gorgeous. I'm gonna take my unbrush and just brush through the hair. Now this is going to break up the wave some, get rid of any loose strands that may be there from them making the wig. Just wet the hair with the water bottle and some conditioner. If you're not in a rush, wash it with some conditioner. Do your conditioner wash and just let it air dry. Let me comb through. Y'all, and excuse my nails, I need them done, and my nail tech is kind of busy, so this entire week may be crappy with my hands. And I'm pointing that out because one of you pointed out my brows last time. Sometimes I'm not gonna be, everything ain't gonna be put together, y'all. Okay, so this is how much shedding came out. And remember, that's not much at all. It's a little more than I like, but it's not too much, you know. If you follow the steps that I gave you in Friday's video about the nape area, yeah, do that, okay? Do that for this texture for sure. And then also just make sure you diffuse the hair prior. Make sure you dry the nape, the back of the neck, dry it. Oh, this is what it looked like after I have diffused. And as you can see, it has a really pretty big wave texture to it. The waves are bigger now. I do like it better diffused, y'all. I can't even make this up. This looks so gorgeous. This is what the hairline looks like. Do you like this wig better diffused or straight out the box? Drop me a comment and let me know. Let me show you the back. This is what the back look like. It's much more fuller now. Super pretty. And again, I didn't get that much shedding with the hair. You know, that's all the shedding that I got throughout the entire hair. The hair is super soft. I do love the texture. Water wave is one of my favorite textures, and I feel like with conditioner, it just gets better and better and better. So if you're looking for an easy style, definitely check out the water wave from Beautyforever. I will put it in the description box for you guys with a link so that you can find it very easily. But yeah, super soft. I didn't add any mousse to it or anything. And the waves normally last if you don't, you know, damage them with heat or anything. Again, don't forget to subscribe, like the video, share, and also tell me if you like today's style. Drop me a comment below. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you back in my next video.